How to clean pillows without a washing machine. There's nothing better than placing your head on a clean, comfortable pillow at the end of a hard day. While we want our pillows to be soft and fluffy, it's actually more important for them to be hygienic. If thorough sanitization is not performed, germs and bacteria or even mildew may develop and thrive on the surface of your pillow. Because of this, cleaning your pillows at least once every 3 to 5 months is highly recommended. When it comes to cleaning your pillows without using a washing machine, you have a few options. You can suck away basic dust, dirt, human dander, and pet hair using your vacuum cleaner's upholstery attachment. Spot cleaning your bed pillows with DIY concoctions like baking soda or vinegar will freshen them up without having to wash them, keeping them germ-free and smelling great. Simply sprinkle small amounts of baking soda over the pillow and let it rest for 30 to 60 minutes to avoid mildew growth and foul odors. Remove the baking powder with an upholstery attachment from your vacuum cleaner, which will also remove any leftover odors. Because baking soda is particularly powerful against possible bacterial pathogens, it will eliminate any evidence of bacteria or mildew. Additionally, a thin mist of white vinegar can be sprayed over your pillow. White vinegar is a safe, natural, and very powerful mold and mildew fighter. You may also use a clean sponge and lightly dab your pillow with white vinegar. If any stains or residue remain, wipe them away with rubbing alcohol applied to the tip of a cotton swab. Keep your pillows in a well-ventilated area or near a fan to ensure that all traces of moisture from the cleaning solutions are eliminated, and let them dry out for at least a day. Air drying is essential for sanitizing your pillow. Every 3 to 6 months, place your pillows in direct sunshine for a few hours to kill any bacteria and mildew residue. This will keep your pillow smelling and feeling fresh while removing any remnants of harmful microorganisms. UV radiation and the warmth of sun rays have been shown to destroy bacteria, keeping your pillows germ-free. In fact, this procedure will also remove any dust mites from your pillow and deodorize the stuffing from human sweat, oil, and strong aromas. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.